Nongpyniaid yaka National Institute of Fashion Technology Umsawli Shillong kilapelong yaka yodi Tiar Thain Kti kynthup yaka riam ki syntiew tyrkhong ki khiew ranei ki jain ohshrong bat bunjat kiwei pat haga kynthup bat kynthup tarik Lber ha Umsawli. Haj Dodung, Director of Textiles and Handicrafts, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, ulalong Kongsan ban Plie yaka nika yodi Tiar Thain Kti ba sngi. Ukpa ka jaitbynriew Mahatma K Gandhi ulalong unong ay minsim bat nong ay nuksa daladihi ya ka jing koridor jong ki tiar gitar ki pathan nishna dala ki jong ki kti ha ka por bakari India kadang saat banyo ik jing lai lot kidon khat saw tali ki dukan ki baladi ki tiar balashna bat than da arpu arngut ki briu tibet ki bana ki Jylla Meghalaya Assam Nagaland Manipur bat Arunachal Pradesh Kajing temu Kongsan kini ke yau ba arsngi kalong ban penpriang ban kynthup bat penyat yau ye kitiar balashna ne than ye kti jeng kibriu ki bat tibet na kite ki Jylla lam mi ngi kari India.
To participate amongst your activities, others, and inviting me as a chief guest, which is very great to be, should have been great post, great personality, but for me it is a very highly privileged spoke today. So about today's program, actually Nift, we had also government of Arunachal also, we had tried to have one Nift in our state, but it couldn't. Because to have all this thing, definitely some political will is required. So when we couldn't establish the Nift, then in the higher and technology technical board, so I am always a member of the board, members of the technical higher technical education. Handloom is 60% of the handloom product. The handicraft product is from Northeast. See, we are contributing more in country level also. And to do this, and for making the more product, we have to do such institution as Nift like institution has to bring that product and others, and there should be impart specific knowledge others to our artisans. They should give the awareness to our villagers. Then only we can have more products. So that products, unless we make it traditional touch and others making, we cannot compete multi-millionaire factories, multi-millionaire for build product. But if we have a traditional touch in your product, even in any kind of handloom and shirt and garment or any store, anything, even in the handicraft, if it is have a traditional touch, it would be traditional value with traditional culture value, traditional value. Then if its product is not limited, but it will be have a distinctive visibility in the common market.